Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a SmartVU SV11 TV dongle. You might have it through DishTV, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it, and you do not have access to the TV menu or anything like that. Maybe it's frozen and not responding, and you just can't get it to do it. We can just use the physical buttons to force a factory reset of this dongle. So what you're going to do is you're going to just unplug your dongle from the power. And then you're going to press and hold the reset button on it. And while holding that reset button, then you're going to go ahead and plug it back in. Just continue to hold that reset button until the SV11 turns on. It's going to take about 15 seconds. So once you do that, then you will then it will open up a menu where we can select Wipe Data Factory Reset. It's the 7th option. You'll toggle down and then select Yes to confirm it. And then once that happens, then you're going to select Reboot System Now. Your dongle will reboot and you can go ahead and set it up as a new device.